Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account. So first open Snapchat and then tap on your profile icon. Then tap the gear icon to open settings and scroll down and look for the account management or account action settings. Then select the option to delete account and follow the instructions. Depending on your device and account setup, Snapchat may direct you to an account portal in your browser and sign in if requested and confirm that you want to delete your account. You need to keep in mind that Snapchat typically places accounts into a deactivation period before permanent deletion, and if you change your mind during that period, you may be able to reactivate the account by signing back in. So that was how to delete your Snapchat account. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.